So thank you for being with us today. Thank you for accepting my request. So can you tell us about yourself, your name, where are you from?
Okay, so my name is Vikas Kumar, and I belong to Bihar, which is a state in northeast region of India, and I'm a software engineer,
Nice,
and also I'm running this backpacker hostel with my brother.
nice, so nice.
So that's
Nice
all.
to meet you, Kumar. Thank
Nice
you,
to meet you
thank
too.
you, thank you. So I have some questions for you. I'll start by the first question. So what do you like most about staying in hostel?
Staying in hostel.
Yeah.
Uh, if you are like if from the traveler point of view or like being a host.
I'm pretty sure that you have been before running a hostel. You have been a backpacker as
Yes,
well. So I
yes.
just wanna know what do you like the most about staying in a hostel?
The untold story about the different travelers from different countries. We all of them gathered together under one roof, and we talk about different culture. We play some games, so you don't know how the time pass,
Yeah, that's true.
and that's also like bring a lot of fun
Yeah,
in the hostel. So these are the things which keep on entertaining us, all of our guests.
that's nice. That's nice. So how important is English or foreign languages in India today?
It's very important. If you're working professional, looking for a good job in good company, and even if you're like traveling from one state to the other state, one region to the other region inside India, because it has more than 300 400 languages
That's
as
true.
of my knowledge.
Yeah.
And south has different language, north has different language, and of course Hindi is the majority of
Yeah.
people who speak
Yeah.
Hindi, but it's only limited to the one part, north part,
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah.
So in case if you have to communicate, you have to find another language
A
medium.
common language, let's say it
So
like this.
it's 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 important from the communication point of view. It's important from the career point of view as well. And even if you're like sitting in front of the people interacting in English, then you find yourself valuable.
Yeah.
So those are the things like very vital. And I think I'm not sure if you know that uh,
You can come. You can.
India is the country who has maximum number of English speaker.
That's true. That's true. So, what is your favorite thing in Delhi?
In Delhi, driving.
Driving.
Yeah.
It's hell.
Driving. Usually, I drive on the highways in weekend,
Okay.
and of course, Delhi food is very famous.
Yeah.
If you are interested, I advise you to go to Old City,
Yeah.
and you can find plenty of street foods. And
The old Delhi, you mean?
In Old Delhi.
Old Delhi, yeah.
And they have a very large number of varieties for
Okay.
for the
Food.
street foods also.
Yeah.
And Delhi food is actually very common in India.
Yeah, yeah. Can you give me one Hindi or local word every foreigner should learn?
The first thing I feel like, let's go. In Hindi, it's chalo.
Okay, let's go in Hindi. It's chalo.
Chalo.
Okay, chalo.
Chalo.
Let's go.
And if you have to say thank you,
Yeah.
then shukriya. In Arabic
Shukriya,
also,
yeah, it's an Arabic word. Shukriya.
yeah,
So thank you.
shukriya. And if you have to call someone like hey my buddy, hey brother, come here. So for instead of saying hey brother, in Hindi we say bhaiya.
Bhaiya. Yeah.
Bhaiya,
Yeah,
please
bhaiya.
come. So
Okay.
these are like few common words.
Yeah, yeah.
If you want
Yeah.
to interact with someone.
Okay, thank you. So, can you teach me how to say welcome to India in your language?
Welcome in India, like how will the word welcome in Hindi,
Yeah,
or like
yeah.
how do
Welcome to India in your language.
We have a sentence in Hindi, in Sanskrit. Sanskrit is the other language, ancient language.
Yeah.
Atithi Devo Bhava.
Yeah.
So the guest is our God. So we have to
Okay.
treat the guest as a
Oh my
God.
God.
So that's why it's very important.
Yeah,
We have to
yeah.
greet the people, the guest.
That's why people are so welcoming in India.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. You
yeah.
know that tradition of flower ring you used to tie.
Yeah. So now let's skip to the funniest part, which is a quiz. So I will give you clues, like 5 clues or more, and you have to find the word. Okay.
Okay.
The word is a country. I'm gonna help you. So it's a country. I will give you clues, and you have to give me the name of that country.
Okay.
Okay. So I would start by Shab Khalid.
Mm-hmm.
You know Shab Khalid, the singer?
Not by the name, but if you can
Like he has a very famous
song.
Yeah. Didi.
Oh yeah, I know.
Okay.
My friends from the Gulf countries or from Egypt, they introduced me this song
Yeah.
like few years
Yeah,
ago.
yeah.
So
It's very and it's an old, it's old song. Yeah.
Yes.
So Shab Khalid, I will give you another one. I don't know if you know Zinedine Zidane.
Zidane, footballer.
Yeah, he's a footballer. Yeah,
Okay.
he's very famous.
Yes.
He has been the coach of Real Madrid.
Coach of Real Madrid.
Yeah, Zinedine Zidane. I give you another
so
one.
he's from that country.
Origin. The
origin from that country.
Yeah.
Okay.
I give you another word, another name. Riyad Mahrez. I don't know if you know.
The name Riyad Madrid.
Riyad Mahrez.
No, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. I give you another. I will give you a dish. Couscous. Do you know couscous?
Yes. I have never tried it, but I have heard
it's really
about
tasty.
it.
Yes. Couscous. I give you another word. Mediterranean Sea.
Of course, I know Mediterranean Sea.
Okay.
So Mediterranean Sea is like part of the country, right? The number.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Africa.
Okay. So it must be African continent.
Yeah. Sahara.
More closer.
Okay.
Sahara. Then must be nearby Arabic countries.
Yeah, it's an Arabic country. I'll help you. Okay.
Arabic or but Sahara is not in Egypt.
Egypt, you have Sahara. But it's not Egypt. I'll help
But it's not Egypt, right?
It's not Egypt, yeah.
And Egypt has Red Sea.
Egypt has Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. And the Nile River.
Okay.
But it's not Egypt. I'll give you 5 seconds, okay?
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Algeria.
Wow. Nice. So nice.
Thank you.
So I'll offer you a free training. I know you know English. So I'm going to offer you a free course of 2 months to learn French online.
French?
Yeah, with Syllabus Learning Center.
Okay. I know only one word in French. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Good morning. Yeah. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time.